What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm unboxing something very special that I've been waiting a long time for. FedEx, man, you guys kept me waiting. But finally it is here. Let's take a look inside the box. Yes, my precious. That is right, we have here the new Xbox Series S. This is what you guys are going to get when you pick yours up. I'm going to show you inside the box. Let's jump straight into it. Taking a look at the box, it says on there 120 frames per second, 512 gigabyte SSD. This is, again, like I said, the Series S version. Some nice pictures of the console, some information. On the back it says power your dreams. So let's get the sticker off. Okay, we're in. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. Now, I mean, that is so cute. Okay, on there it says power your dreams. There's a cute little thing, label thing. Actually, let's put that to the side for a sec. Wow, I'm surprised by how small it is. Inside there is a support guide, getting started, which tells you all the ports on there. There is an Ethernet port, there is USB ×2 of those, HDMI, storage expansion slot, power input, and I think that's it. Download Xbox app to set up. That is one thing actually, I'm not massively loving the fact that they've still gone with the AA batteries, but I guess that makes it a lot more accessible. Also, I have tons of AA batteries, so suits me just fine. But it's interesting that they've kept that going. The controller looks really similar. Let's take a proper look at it. So in the top here we have HDMI high-speed cable in the box. Don't have to buy an extra, that's good. Power cable. We have product guide and warranty information. Nothing else there. A little bit of padding, and here we have the controller. And nice. Okay. Sorry for moaning about batteries. They give you 2 batteries in the box. Are they Duracell? The Duracell batteries, not for retail, but that's what they have. Let's pop them straight in, why not? Yeah, the controller is really similar, but there are some small subtle differences that I absolutely love. They've given it a textured finish where your hands are. People who get slippery hands when they get intensely into their gaming like me. There are also some textured bits on the RT and LT triggers. Again, subtle but a really lovely touch to introduce on this new pad. Here I have the existing Xbox controller for the Xbox One. And looking at it, I mean there's hardly anything to choose from between the two of them at a glance. Marginally different. This actually looks and feels a little bit smaller. It's trimmed down by millimeters, 1 millimeter if that. It just, I mean, they look, I would say they're identical. Maybe it's the white that makes the white one look a little bit smaller. But to my eye and in my hand, I don't know, feels a little bit more ergonomic, just ever so slightly on the handles. But the buttons look identical. The button layout is slightly changed. So we have a share button in the middle there, which we don't have, which I actually quite like, because when I'm trying to share content on the middle of a game, I die, which is really annoying. So it's nice that they've given that its own home. The D-pad slightly changed as well. There's less room for things to get under, dirt and dust to get under the D-pad. There's a bit more texture on these as well. So yeah, overall I like what they've done with the pad. Simplistic, but it works. Now let's take a look at the console. This thing is so small. I love it. I feel like I'm gonna have the complete opposite reaction when I open the PS5. What do you guys think? Oh, there we go. That's it. Like, come on. Next gen power in something that small. It doesn't take up much space. Like that is. Let's get the box closed. That's it. There's not much to it. Again, like I said before, there are some ports. You got your Ethernet, 2 USB high speed, inputs, HDMI out, storage expansion, power, and a lock there. And on the front, you've got 1 USB input and a pairing button there. And then Xbox power on. But that's the Xbox Series S. What do you guys think? Really not much to it. It's a tiny little console, which I love. I love the fact that it's it's condensed. They've put a lot of power in this thing, and I'm really looking forward to having some game time. So I'm going to get this set up. I'm not actually allowed to show you guys any games at this point, but I will be soon. So make sure you check out my Instagram. So check out that. I'm going to put some photos of this up on there as well for you guys to take a look at. But I think it is a beautiful little console. Also, massive shout out to Microsoft for the early access. I really appreciate it, guys. I don't know what I did to deserve it, but thank you very much. Comments, feedback, likes, all of that helps me and encourages me to do more content like this on the channel. So again, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.